The super blood blue moon is this celestial trifecta, three events happening all essentially at the same time. The lunar eclipse that'll be occurring in the morning of January 31st when the moon passes into the Earth's shadow and turning that beautiful red color. They also have a supermoon, which is when the moon passes close to the Earth in its orbit around the Earth. And then the blue moon. Now the moon won't actually turn blue. Blue moon is just a name for when we get the second full moon in a month. For the moon, it's not only going to be changing color, but it's also going to be changing temperature. It's going from the oven of being in direct sunlight into the Earth's shadow, which is like going into the freezer. And so that dramatic temperature change can be measured by instruments either on the Earth or an orbiting spacecraft. And so that temperature change tells us something about the particle size of the surface of the moon. Because there's no atmosphere, it cools very quickly, and so that temperature change is pretty dramatic and, again, reflects what's on the surface. The moon is the cornerstone of our understanding of the solar system. When you look at any surface in the solar system, whether it's Mercury or Pluto, our interpretation of the geology, the processes that affect those planets, are all informed by our understanding of what's happened on the moon. The next time that we'll have this trifecta of events happening, an eclipse, a blue moon, and a supermoon, will be actually in, just under 20 years. It'll be January of 2037. And so 19 years from now will be another opportunity for folks to see this. But I would encourage people not to wait 19 years to look at the moon again, to use this as an opportunity to start looking at the moon more regularly.